Hey everyone, welcome back to another daily bullet journal planning session. My name is Emily and I like to plan and sometimes I like to do art. And this is for you if you are a fellow parent who is looking for a moment of peace to yourself. It's hard to find, but we need to do things that we enjoy because it keeps us sane or halfway. So I hope that you tune in. Today, in that spirit, I decided to keep in some of the things that I usually try and make silent so that you can't hear the things that go on while I take 10 minutes out of the morning to plan these things. You think it's not a big deal to take those 10 minutes, but if you're a parent, you know that even 10 minutes to yourself is 10 minutes too long. So I just wanted you to know today that you're not alone. So today we filled out the habits, and now I'm writing in this morning that I need to film this. And you'll see that it's harder than one would think. Slapping in a flamingo there because we're going to go to the pool today, and it called for a flamingo sticker. Writing in a pool day. I did speed it up so that it's chipmunk voices. In my own defense, I do want you to know that I do help my children. This really literally does take 10 minutes, and they just, need to learn to have patience. Sometimes they just need to learn a little patience.
Adeline, can you wait just a second? Can you wait just a second? You need to calm down a second, okay? Come on! All you have to do is plug it in, Adeline. What? All you have to do is plug it in. No! It didn't work! Okay, well, quit yelling at me. Well, quit. Help me! Hey! I will. Stop. Don't bump that, please. Stop. Adeline, what are you doing? When I'm done doing this thing that you can see that I'm doing, I will help you. Oh, really? 1, 2. 1, 2. I waited 2 seconds! Then wait 2 more. 1, 2. There. I waited 2 seconds more! Stop!
This seems like the perfect time to put in a "Don't forget to be awesome" sticker because the workout's not happening today. Oh, to do today. Film this plan with me and maybe try and motivate some of my fellow moms out there to keep hanging in. We got to write those thank you notes. Still hasn't gotten done. I don't know. Can I write them and just have her sign them? Because trying to get her to write 16 of them, I'm not sure. I'm just not sure, how that's going to go and if I have the patience, quite frankly, to do it. And writing in the pool today, I do want to figure out somewhere to put a picture that my husband took them to the art center yesterday while I was sleeping to get ready for work. So I want to make that the weekly picture today, or this week, rather. I'm trying to darken in those letters and do a little bit more drop shadow. I thought I'd continue on the theme from my work lettering. As you can see, it really works when the letters are a little bit thicker to add in the shadow with a gel pen. So we're going to go to the pool. It'll get us out of the house, and it'll get us from not screaming at each other for a few moments. Everyone's got their thing. I like planning. I like doing art. That's a big happy thing for me, a big happy thing. So I encourage you to find something that you like to do because it's important. It's very important, no matter what stage we're in. Newborn, toddler, teenager, this weird stage that I'm in, 6 to 8 years old, where I feel like every day I'm being pushed to the brink. We just need to figure out a way to stay sane.
Just a second, Addie.
So I hope you guys have a great day. I'm so glad that you tuned in again for another planning session and maybe a peek into somebody else's life that will make you feel better about your own. And that's what I'm here for. Please subscribe and come back and visit me again. Thanks, guys.
I'm coming.